Good day, everyone. My name is Christ J. Estabo, and I'll be your tour guide as we explore the charming and vibrant Calapan City, the capital of Oriental Mindoro. It is known as the gateway to the Golden Heart of the Philippines, a place where history, culture, and nature came together in harmony. Today, I'll be sharing with you not just the site, but also the stories that make Calapan truly special. Before we explore, here are a few reminders. Number 1, safety first. Stay with the group, especially in busy or coastal area. Number 2, environmental responsibility. Keep Calapan clean, dispose of trash properly, and respect nature. Number 3, respect local culture. Ask permission before taking photos of people, especially those in traditional attire. And number 4, support local. Buy from local vendors to help sustain the community's livelihood. Calapan City is located on the northeast coast of Mindoro Island, just a short ferry ride from the Batangas. It became a city in 1998, but its history goes back hundreds of years. Long before Spanish came, it was already a busy trading settlement visited by Chinese and Malay merchants. During the Spanish era, it grew into a thriving mission station, and later became the center of governance for Oriental Mindoro. As the capital, Calapan is the province's political, economic, and educational center. It is also the perfect jump-off point to the other famous Mindoro destinations, like Puerto Galera beaches, Mount Halcon trains, and lush agricultural lands. Here are some of the must-visit spots you'll find in Calapan. Number 1, the Kaluangan Cave, a peaceful spot for photography, bird watching, or picnics. Number 2, Santo Niño Cathedral, a centuries-old church and symbol of enduring faith. 3, Baco Calapan Road Coastal, where the sea meets the sky in breathtaking panoramas. Number 4, Mangyan Heritage Center. Learn about the indigenous Mangyan people, their culture, and crafts. 5, Public Plaza and Baywalk. Perfect for evening strolls and people watching, and also the tasting of local street foods. Calapan is known for being one of the cleanest and greenest cities in the region. It is the largest and most populous in Oriental Mindoro, yet it still feels like a friendly, close-knit town. Surrounding it are rice fields, coconut plantations, and fishing villages, so fresh produce and seafood are always within the reach. Also, make sure to try Mindoro delicacies like suman sa lihiya, oraro cookies, and fresh seafood dishes. Shop for Mangyan-inspired souvenirs, and if you visit in March, join the Color Festival with its lively street dancing and cultural parades. Calapan City may be a gateway, but it's also a destination worth savoring. Here, history, culture, and nature blend seamlessly, and the warm welcome of its people will make you feel right at home. And that's all. I hope you enjoy our trip, and before we end this tour, let's have a head count first. 1, 2, 3, 20. Perfect. Now, be safe and have a good day, everyone.